Welcome. If you want to change theme in your Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, for the first you have to enter themes. Then you have to find the theme that you want to apply. In my case, I will click on the search pool and I will type here free because I don't want to pay for the theme. Maybe I will pick up the Gold Forest. Click here. Click on the apply. And as you can see, it's finished. So right now we can check how it works. And this is it. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.